guys, welcome back again to our channel. So today's video I show you a lot of presents my husband's bring it to me in the Philippines. Alright, so I show you guys lot of chocolates here. I have lots of chocolate, and then I'll have plastic also here. That's why my husband is over luggage. Alright, so I'll show you guys. I have lots of chocolates here. Some other chocolates it's already give to the family. I have Maltesers. What is Aero? Dairy Milk. Dairy Milk. Twirl, my favorite chocolates. And some of this chocolate cream. It's Yummers. My husband is there sitting. And Cadbury 5 packs. Yeah, and then Ruffles. Yeah, it's Ruffles, so many. And again, orange cream. Orange cream again. Dairy Milk Riddle. Something like, oh wow. Yeah, some other chocolates they give already to the family, and they sleep. Just I make some presents with you. Alright, so there is some other one plastic here, some sweets, so many sweets here, my favorite. And this one also like Yummy Mix, oh my favorite. I have my Pringles. Is this sour and cream and onion. And this one also Texas barbecue sauce. And this is fruit. It's, yeah, pastilles. Yes, fruits pastilles. And there's what is sweet corner, mint hamburgs, nugget. I have this whole smoothies. I have also, I opened this one also, this nuts. Lockets. It tastes like honey and lemon. Yeah, black currant flavor. And this is the same also, but different flavor, strawberry flavor. And I have this also Yummy Bears, gummy bears, Yummy Bears. Yeah, it's nice. And also this bubbles, boba, something like sweet candy, right? Yeah, chewing gum. And also this, yeah, mint and imperials. Something like this, extra, other flavor, another flavor. This one again, other flavor also. Also this one, and lots of this one, and this one. Lots. Is this also like soft mints? Yeah, orange flavor. And this is also fizzes. Like this one is like what do you call this? Yep, fizzy. Nugget. And also this cinnamon. It's good for the throat, right? Yeah. And extras again. Airwaves chewing gum. And this mint. And have here extra white again chewing gum. Alright, so I eat this, my favorite marshmallow. Yo, it's yummy. So I leave it here. I have lots of things. This is my extra gift from my husband, guys. This is my earrings. Earring, so cute. This is my extra gift from my husband, guys. And there's another one also. And earrings. This one is other design. And this is the first design that's different. And this is the other one also. Gift again. And this is same like leaves design. Like that. It's cute. It's cute. Have three cutes. And this is the very expensive gift also. This is like bangle. Is this right called bangle? Huh? Yeah, this is a bracelet, or it's called bangles. See, Park Lane. This is the name of this. What's your company? Yeah, it's Park Lane. That like, guys, the carton. Yeah, and this is so cute. Wow, thank you, darling. I really appreciate it. Wow, it's nice. I like it. How do I try in my hands? This. I try this one. Okay. Use this. Wait. I try it.
You turn on it.
Oh.
You turn on it.
Oh, right. So I try. It's nice. It's nice, guys. And there is, what do you call this one?
Diamonds.
Diamonds. There's white diamonds here. There's gold and white diamonds here. So I try. It's nice. And then this is the big one, because we are 1 year now in our wedding anniversary. So this is the very expensive that I ever received. Wow, thank you so much. I'm excited. Where is it? How to open this? It's like this. Yeah, this is my eternity ring. This is my engagement ring, my wedding ring, and this is my eternity ring. Yeah. This is it. Wow. Thank you so much, darling. So
you deserve it.
You put in my hands.
You deserve it.
You put in my hands.
Want to show off now?
Yeah. You just remove it. Just put it now.
Like, yeah, darling. Yeah. Forever.
Yes. Yeah. I have 3 rings right now. My engagement ring, my wedding ring, and my eternity ring. So I have 3 rings right now. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
I guess you. Thank you. Hi guys, I have 3 rings right now. My engagement, my wedding, and my eternity ring. Thank you so much, darling.
My pleasure.
Wow, it's nice. Gold, and this one, all the diamonds. Yep, all diamonds here. Same as my wedding ring here, diamonds also. And this one also diamond. Consider. Like it. Thank you so much. I really appreciate. Yes, as you can see, I have 3 rings right now. Yeah. I'm speechless na. As you can see, guys, this is my eternity ring. Yep, this is gold, and all are diamonds here. Diamonds. So I put it here. Alright, that's that better.
Yep, good job.
Okay.
You were
Engagement ring, 30 ring, and it's my wedding ring. So I have 3 ring right now. Thank you so much, darling. So I starting to use it now because we are 1 year. What?
Married.
Yeah, we are 1 year marriage. We are 1 year anniversary, first wedding anniversary together. So this is our vlog for today, guys, and don't forget to like and subscribe. So ayaw ni husband, guys, magpakita, nahiya daw siya. So you will see him. So thank you so much, guys, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye. See you in my next vlog.